We'll guide you through how to use Claude Workspace. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and liking the video. First, open your web browser and go to the Claude Workspace website. Once you're there, you'll need to sign in with your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you can easily sign up by clicking on the Sign Up button and filling out the necessary information. After signing in, you'll be greeted with the main dashboard, which is your central hub for accessing all the features. On the left-hand side, you'll see a navigation menu. This is where you can access different sections like Documents, Projects, and Settings. Click on Documents to start a new document or view existing ones. If you want to create a new document, simply click on the New Document button at the top right. This will open a blank workspace where you can start typing or importing content. You can easily format your text using the toolbar at the top, which includes options for bold, italics, underlining, and more. If you're working on a project with a team, go to the Projects section from the navigation menu. Here, you can create or join projects, invite team members, and collaborate in real time. To invite someone, click on the Invite button, enter their email address, and send them an invitation. If you need to adjust your account settings or preferences, click on Settings in the navigation menu. Here, you can update your profile, change your password, or manage notifications. Remember, the Claude Workspace is designed to streamline your workflow and enhance collaboration, so take some time to explore all the features it offers. Don't forget to subscribe and comment if this helped you out.